The early bird catches the worm means, do you know why do some successful people wake up early? The answer will be given in this story. Two fishermen went to the river. One arrived before sunrise, the other came late. The early fisherman caught baskets full of fish. The late one caught excuses. So, opportunity loves preparation. Let's have more proverbs related to this. The early bird catches the worm. Opportunity knocks once only. Strike while the iron is hot. Fortune favors the brave. Time waits for no one. Success often belongs to those who start early. Save this reel as motivation for tomorrow morning. And comment me motivation in the comment box. I'll send you the link of my free WhatsApp group.